Hey guys, welcome back. So this time I'm jumping into Sportsland Yamanashi. So this is another mod made by Perma. I've actually seen this track a fair bit in Noriaro. So it's a nice little bike track and seems pretty fun. I wanted to give it a go. I'm also back in a S13 again, the DWG one. So this is the car I actually started the pack in. So wanted to jump back into this and just see if it's easy to drive from that first time. So it's a pretty basic car. It's just an SR20 with a disco potato, I believe making like 300 horsepower, and then just all the normal adjustable arms and suspension. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, weather's gone overcast by the look of it. So this is a tight little track. So we'll see how we go. Gnarly wheel again. Alright, so in first, so second. I don't know if it's a go-kart track or what, but a bit of elevation change. Oh, maybe I should know what I'm doing. So just all second gear. Down the bottom section. Alright, so I think part of it was you could flick it here. I'm going to hit the front. So that was already one lap, so yeah, as you can see it's quite short. I don't know if you can link the whole track or not. Oh, well, I can't. Definitely don't have my groove on at the moment. Oh yeah, looks like I do a fishtail there. So this one also has, you go the other way. I don't remember seeing this way in a video. Oh, over rotated. Curves actually look quite aggressive. So just all second. I'm lifting off the throttle too much and I'm coming out of the drifts. Alright, so I can see time ups there, click it. Alright, so just one marks without knocking that wall that time. Oh, too far. I thought I was going to be a lot better at driving this, to be honest, after practicing these cars a fair bit now. I don't know if I can link that part because it goes a bit far. Yeah, I'll just think one way and the other. Alright, out to the wall. Take handbrake entry. Alright, let's see if we can. We'll count that even though it's on the grass. Alright, let's go for a no handbrake run. Alright, second. I think that was the main area I was using the handbrake anyway in that entry. Ah, I did it again. Reached for it, didn't use it though. Second. Keep saying that even though the whole track I've kind of been using second. Alright, let's go for a fishtail in third. So on third. No. Do this section in third. Definitely don't think I can do this track in third. Well, at least with this car anyway. But, so like I said in the intro, this is, I don't know if his name's Perma or not, but that's what I remember it from his Patreon page. He makes some nice mods. So, the tunnel over there. Yeah, they look good, they make you feel like you're there. It's got nice elevation change. Just the quality of them is good, especially for a free track. You can join his Patreon, obviously. I think you can get different content, but the base tracks are free anyway. Much. It's got a few more mods to try out too. Coming back to something tight and small after doing the FD tracks. Kind of, yeah, I like the Japanese style tracks. A lot tighter, shorter. And I like that you can just keep driving around. You don't have to keep resetting to get back to the start. However, I am comparing a comp track to like a grassroots track, so it's not really a fair comparison. I'm sure there's tracks like this in the States as well. Alright, I'll do 2 more laps and call it, because it's actually getting quite hot. So just all second gear. That's a bit. I don't know, would you count this as a technical track? I don't know what people count as a technical track or not. It's all second gear and I'm not shifting, so. And then I've not really found a track that had to lock foot brake in. So watch that in the replay again, that looked like lightning. Definitely a fun little track. Oh, too much angle. Alright, last lap. Tree in third. Entry in third wasn't great on the grass. I do remember struggling with this car a lot more. No. When I say that, I'm still struggling with it. When I first swapped to the DWG cars. But it all just comes with practice, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Another track down. Fun little track. And fun, S13. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.